Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Garmin Pay setup and card readiness, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Garmin Pay setup and card readiness, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Garmin Pay. Turn on your Garmin device and navigate to the main menu. Select the wallet option from the menu. If you haven't set up Garmin Pay yet, follow the prompts to add your cards. Once you have added your cards, ensure they are activated and ready for transactions. To check the status, go back to the wallet option. Look for the card icons displayed on your device. A green checkmark signifies that your card is ready for use. If you see a red exclamation mark, your card might not be properly set up or activated. To resolve this, visit the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Ensure you have an active internet connection while using the app. Open the Garmin Connect app and navigate to the Wallet section. Verify that your card information is correct and check for any alerts regarding your card status. If everything appears correct, try removing and re-adding the card within the app. Once removed, follow the prompts to add the card again. After re-adding, return to your Garmin device. Go back to the wallet option to confirm the card status again. If your card is still not ready, contact your card issuer for assistance. They can provide support regarding any specific card setup requirements. After confirming that your card is ready, you can proceed to test Garmin Pay at a compatible payment terminal. Simply hold your Garmin device near the terminal and follow the prompts to complete a transaction. Ensure the terminal accepts contactless payments and follow any additional on-screen instructions. Once completed, you should receive a notification confirming your transaction. This confirms that Garmin Pay is set up correctly and your card is ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.